Hi, I'm Kenton, and this is Kenton Knows. In this video, we're going to walk through 1001 West Cullerton, Unit 1F. 1001 West Cullerton is in the Pilsen neighborhood of Chicago. On the left side of the front door, you can see there are door buzzers, which allow you to buzz in visitors. This building is also equipped with Amazon Key, which allows Amazon to drop packages off into the lobby. In the front lobby are the mailboxes. As we walk into Unit 1F, you can see there are very high ceilings. And on the left is the bathroom, where there are 2 sinks, as well as a tub, shower, toilet, and the washer dryer. 1001 West Cullerton is a 4-unit building. This unit is 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. To the right of the front door is a coat closet. There's the buzzer panel. And then you have a wraparound kitchen with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. The side-by-side refrigerator with water and ice dispensers. And you can see with the high ceilings, there's actually storage above the coat closet. This is the first bedroom, which has ceiling fans, and this bedroom is 13 by 10, and there's also a large closet in this bedroom. The second bedroom is also 13 by 10 with an identical closet and ceiling fan. The kitchen is 15 by 11 and the living room is 14 by 11. As we go out the back door, you can see there's a staircase up to the unit above and then a door directly outside. One 1001 West Cullerton is a 4-unit building, and it's on the corner of Cullerton and Morgan. At the back of the building is a locked gate. And if you go down the stairs, and here is a shared bike room for everyone in the building. From time to time, there may be availability for a parking spot in the garage, depending on the other tenants in the building.